Hey there and welcome back. Here's how I hand sew a simple satin ribbon. So here's what I use: a double-threaded sewing needle, spool of thread, and shears. So you can use any kind of ribbon that you want. And what I do first is I fold it in half, just trying to figure out the size bow that I want first. Then I cut right here. I like to trim the ends of the ribbon so that they're both straight and not on a slant. And then again, I fold them so that they overlap right over into the center. So I take both ends and I overlap them just like that. Next, what I do is I fold the entire thing in half so I know exactly where my center is. Once I have my center at the fold there, I put the needle through and I do a quick running stitch, or even a basting stitch for that matter, just in and out. And I know again that that's my center. If you're not in the center, one side of the bow comes out larger than the other. Then I repeat that same running stitch the opposite way, along or right over that original running stitch that I did. So I just do it twice. Then I pull and the bow scrunches in the center. As you can see there, as you pull, it scrunches, and then I wrap my thread around a few times. Once I wrap the bow around a few times, what I do is I kind of fidget with it a little like that, and then on the back of the bow, and you'll see one side is the back and one side is the front, I do an end off stitch. I just stick the needle through the actual thread there that I wrapped around into the center, and I pull, and then I stick the needle through the loop and give it a tight tug. And I like to do that twice. Then I trim off any of the fraying ribbon, and the actual thread and needle I leave on the bow in the event that I need to sew it onto something. If not, you could just trim off this thread here, and you can do whatever with the bow. You can glue it onto something, whatever it is that you need. And that's how simple it is to sew a satin bow. So I make all size bows, like this little tiny black one here. You could use any kind of ribbon, even the wired ribbon just like this. It will work the same to sew it. Even lace ribbon or embroidery type ribbon, anything you have. Anyway, I hope this video helped you in understanding how to make a satin ribbon. And if you love videos like this, check out my other quick tutorials right up here on the screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.